Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators. First of all, I'm going to talk about the Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the last couple of days, you see that the Bitcoin bounced back after Elon Musk. He said that he's going to accept in Bitcoin again to buy Tesla. So after this news come out, the Bitcoin tried to run it up. Now let's take a look on the chart so that we can see what's happening. Is it the end of the correction on the Bitcoin, it bottom out, or it's just about? Alright, so let's see how it look like. So if you look at the chart here on the Bitcoin first. Okay, so the Bitcoin, after they run out to the bottom here, as you can see here. So the Bitcoin, they found some support and then put it back up. So in the short term, after the big drop up here, I believe that they try to find a way to put it up to the upside. For the short term. So overall, the trend is still bearish, the momentum is still negative, but right now they try to push it back up. So how far they will go? So this is the area of the resistance that you have to watch out. So I think in the short term, they try to put it back up to this area here, and then you have to pay attention to see what they are doing at this level, because overall the trend is still negative. So anything here, if you trade alongside, it's still yet a bounce. Okay, so it's not a bottom out yet. So after the hit here, and then we really want to see they will roll up one more time before they can stabilize and looking for to move higher into the future. So now let's take a look on the Ethereum. Ethereum is also try to push it back up. Right now they are still choppy. Okay, but if they can get up, and then this one here will be a strong resistance area that we have to watch out also. Okay, so but if the Ethereum they drop below this upper trend line here, it will be more bearish for the Ethereum. Okay, so overall, the Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are looking for some kind of rebound here. Let's see if they're able to get up a little bit, and then we will go from there. Okay, so that's for the Bitcoin and Ethereum. And now I'm going to do a market update for Tuesday of June 15, 2021. And if you take a look on the S&P 500, the market is still in the uptrend. So even though they're in the tight range, but the trend is still continue to go up. I think right now the market is in the sideways, a little bit choppy. So they're waiting for the Fed meeting tomorrow. So they're still waiting for the keyword inflation and the interest rate. So let's see how the Fed is going to say about it, and then and the market will tell you what they're going to do next. So as long as the Fed is still printing the money, then the market is still continue to push it up. So as long as the trend is still up, we will stick with the uptrend. And if you look at the Nasdaq, it's also still in the uptrend. Okay, they try to break to all-time high here, and then they pull back a little bit. They go sideways again. And if you look at the Dow is a little bit pulled back down. They couldn't make it high, but they pulled back down, so they have a strong support at this level. So as long as they can stay supporting this level, they can turn around also. And if you look at the Russell 2000, they get stuck at the sell zone here, so they pull back down. So now they try to stabilize and find a way to push it up again. So let's see. After tomorrow, the market will give you the clear direction where they want to heading to. After the Fed, they're going to announce. Okay, so if you're a day trader, you have to be careful at the 1 o'clock Eastern time or 11 o'clock Pacific time. And if you look at the crude oil, the crude oil is still very strong in high demand, and it continue to put it up to the upside. And that's why you see it, the gas station is getting more expensive right now on the price. So that's why it's time to change to the electric car. Okay, so this one here is the goal. It also after they run up, hit to the sell zone, so now they pull back down. So this is a level of support for the goal to be hold up and looking for some kind of rebound from there. And if you are looking for the volatility index, as you can see that today volatility index try to push it up a little bit, so that's why they cause a problem for a lot of big cap stock. They after they run up, and then the last 2 days they go sideways and put it back down. And if the VIX move it up, as well as the 10-year Treasury note, and you can see that they try to put it up this morning, but they have a strong support, a strong resistance in this area here. So overall trend to bearish. As long as this one it cannot go higher, and then they slam it down, then the Nasdaq technology stock still have a room to move it higher. So if you look at the couple sector, the XLB, which is the material sector, that they just be in the downside correction. That's why you see gold is also going down. And look at the financial sector, it's also in the correction also. That's why you see a lot of stock like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, they also follow the sector here and put it down. So this is a strong support here. They need to hold up there. And if you look at the energy sector is still very strong, as you can see here. They break out the pullback support, and then they continue to put it back up. So that's why you see a lot of stock that we highlight on the energy sector still doing well, like MRO, CVX, right? And ExxonMobil, those stock that we highlight on the weekend, they are still very strong. VDCE, okay, so those stocks that still pump up to the upside. And the real estate sector, they are run too far right now, so probably they're looking for some kind of correction here. So that's why you see a lot of stock like Toll Brothers, KB Home, and even Home Depot. They have been dropped from the top here to the downside. So they try to looking for some kind of support in order for the builder and the supply builders to turn around. Okay, and Semiconductor is still doing well, as you can see here. They have a trouble to get to this area here, but the overall trend is still high demand for the semiconductor. So a lot of stock in this sector to try to hang tight sideways, just be correction, but still in the uptrend, like AMD, TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. It also try to put it up, but they're in the sideways right now. NVDA, so NVIDIA is a strong one in the group. It's still doing very well there. Okay, and now let's take a look some of the stock that we highlight in the weekend last week to see how they are doing here. So the energy sector definitely is still very strong. Okay, and couple bottom fishing stock that we talk about. Let's see how they are looking. They look like right now. That the Duke Energy is still very strong here, and they continue to put it to the upside. And another bottom fishing is for Micron, which is belongs to Semiconductor. So they try to bottom out, looking for the way back up. A, B, and B. Okay, so this one here, in terms of market recovery, they may bottom out and looking for some kind of push it back up. Okay, so beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist, premium watchlist, where we handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can update every time we have a new video for you. Again, thank you for watching, and then we will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.